Hello and welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. My name is Mick, and I'm a beard product addict, and it's getting really expensive. The reason for that is I'm usually purchasing from companies in the States. I've purchased from a couple companies, even from the UK as well. So I decided to reach out on Instagram the other day to see if people know of any Canadian companies that they had good experiences with that I should try out and review. So today I'm going to be giving my first impressions and unboxing of a company, Educated Beards. Now I'm going to do this a little bit different than usual. We're going to do more of like a point of view unboxing so you guys can see a little bit better what's actually going on here. What we're going to do first, we're just going to take everything out of the box, and then I'll do some first impressions on the products afterwards. So you can see here, this is the first impression. This is what you get. You get a nice little card here from Educated Beards, premium grooming products. I hope you guys can see that. And then there's a little note here, and the card reads, "Greetings, Beardy Blogger. Thank you for your interest in our brand. We hope you enjoy our latest product line, Scott." So that's really cool. First of all, can we just talk about this for a second? I hope you guys can see this all right, but just that gold, I don't know what kind of pen they're using there. It's like a gold plated something ink. It just looks really cool. This is such a great kind of first experience from like first impression unboxing experience. So open it up here. Wow, okay. This looks really cool. We'll get back to the box in a second here, but it looks like inside this box are a couple items that I purchased. I think this is like a beard roller thing that I purchased. I've never tried like a beard roller applicator kind of beard oil before, so I'm super excited to try that out. So this one is the peppermint and cedarwood. And then this one is the bergamot and grapefruit. But let's get back to this box. Not sure if this is the best way to show you guys, or like this. Maybe we'll go like this. But we've got Educated Beards Premium, a book of beards. So this is cool. If you look at it from this side over here, it looks like a book. What this contains is, I'm just going to show you guys over here. I'm not very good at reading upside down. Beard oil, 5 milliliter or 0.17 fluid ounce. Some mustache wax, so 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounce. 50 mils of beard balm or 1.7 ounces. Then a full beard oil, 30 milliliter, 1 fluid ounce. And then a 250 milliliter or 8.5 fluid ounce beard wash. Some scissors. A boar hair beard brush, which is great. I've been needing one. I lost the one that I had, and then a comb. So that's quite a bit of goodies there. Let's have a look and see. So let's open up the book. And inside we have another note which reads, "Thank you for taking the time to review our products. We love what you do and your passion for beard products. We can't wait for the content you put out and to hear your feedback on our products. Thanks again, the EB team." That's really awesome. I love these personalized notes, and I really love the like ink that they're using for that. It just gives really such a premium feel. Have a look at this, guys. Like, how awesome does this look? You've got a little card there that has their website. Here's a comb from Educated Beards. It looks like a really nice set of scissors, and then underneath is the boar bristle brush. and then just all the other goodies that I listed on the back. I'm going to switch to my face now. We're going to smell some of these things, tell you what my first impressions are, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I took the time to take all the packaging off on everything here so that I'm not just bustling about. I just want to show off this Educated Beards Book of Beards again. Like, this thing is so cool. So, you know, a lot of companies, they either go all out on the packaging and presentation, and a lot of that stuff honestly is like throwaway, and so there's that argument to be made that, you know, it's not good for the environment. And then other companies try to use more recyclable materials, and that's what they ship their products in. This is one of those things where the presentation is so good that it is just this is never going to be a throwaway. So yeah, this might not be made out of recyclable material, but this is one of those things that you don't throw away. I'm gonna actually use this to put all my thank you cards from the companies that I purchased in here, because there's a ton of space in there for paper and things like that. So that's where I'm gonna keep my thank you cards going forward. Let's get into the products and first impressions. The first thing that I want to start with is this Educated Beards scissors, and you can see it says Educated Beards on there. It just looks super. Look at that. Wow, that is so quiet. I'm gonna put that right to the mic. You guys hear that? That's satisfying. That's really cool. These blades feel super sharp too. I am planning on doing a mustache trim video. I did purchase like a $20 some kind of mustache scissors off Amazon a couple of weeks ago. I was going to use those. I'm going to use these instead and see how they do trimming the mustache. Super excited to shoot that video for you guys. Another accessory that came in the box is the Educated Beards comb. This is, I can tell, very strong. It's not cheaply made plastic. This isn't gonna fall apart. We're just gonna comb through the beard here and see how it feels. Very good. So this looks similar to the Kent combs, where it's not just like dipped in plastic and then they pull it out and they have those like edges that really pull at your beard. This one really looks like there's someone that goes in and properly like files everything down so that it's not it doesn't pull on your beard. So it's a very high quality comb that you guys get in this box. Again, we'll get to the price when I do the review, but for now, just want to show these products to you guys. And then this is the boar bristle brush that comes with as well in this package. And you've got the Educated Beards over there as well. See how that feels. Very soft. I don't feel it like pulling as much as I think my other boar bristle brush was time to get rid of anyway. I think it was like pulling on my hairs a little bit. This just feels so smooth going through. Very nice. So the next thing we're going to look at here is the Beard Balm. This is the Balsam Eclipse. I hope I said that right. And that is what the label looks like for those guys. And it says on here, it gives you instructions on how to use. We're just gonna dip into that. It's got a nice yellow. That comes out pretty easily. Not a ton of weight there. Put some in beard. Melts down pretty quickly. That was like a 1.5 rub. A very light scent. I'm not getting a ton. Maybe once it's in beard. Can't tell what that is. I want to say there's some lavender in there, and it's got some muskiness to it too. It does say on here that the ingredients. Is shea butter, sweet almond oil, beeswax, and then balsamia needle from Canada, lavendula. Yeah, there it is. Lavender oil and then black pepper seed oil. So I'm not sure if there's any other essential oils in here or fragrance. If there is, it's not listed. We'll talk more about that when we do the full review and I check out the website. But yeah, so my sniffer is correct on this one. There is lavender in there. Let's check out the other one. So the oil that I got is also in that Balsam Eclipse. So there's that wonderful logo again. I'm gonna warm some up here. Just show you the oil here. It's a nice yellow tinge to it. Put a little bit too much, but oh yeah, the lavender really comes through on the oil here. If you like lavender scents, this is definitely one for you. This is a nice medium, I would say medium to medium, medium to like heavier weight oil. We'll put a little bit in the beard. Do like a nice lavender scent at night. I tend to use all natural lavender soap at night. It just really helps calm me down, settle me down for the day. It's a nice smooth oil. This is excited to try this out for a week, see how it does on my beard. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got a few more things. I gotta start moving things that I've opened already, put it on this side. So we've got the balsam fir here, and that is for the mustache wax. There's the logo for that one. And we're gonna check this out and see how the mustache wax does. Should almost have a mirror here, but we're just gonna take some out. That is a hard mustache wax. So definitely something that I'm probably gonna have to warm up before using. Because what I like to do is just kind of pinch it between my fingers like this, and then put it in the beard. This is taking quite a bit to melt down. So there's some waxes, these harder hold waxes, that you definitely need to you need to warm it up a little bit first before you put it in the mustache. So I'm totally going against everything that I'm saying right now, but yeah, I just wanted to try it out a little bit here. So yeah, this one will have to be warmed up a little bit before you put it in. So just a little bit of extra effort for this one. If you're into the hard hold mustache waxes, then this is your guy. So this is the bergamot and grapefruit. I think this is like the roller that I bought. So I'm interested to see how that's gonna go. So the instructions say roll directly onto beard and skin or roll onto the palm of hand. Rub both hands together until palms are warm. Apply to beard and skin in an upward fashion. So you can see there's like a little roller applicator there. This is kind of cool. I wonder how much actually like, okay. Yeah, so when you roll it on, so I did like 2 rolls there. I don't know if you can see how much actually came out, but not a ton. So that's really good. So very little comes out. So it says to roll upward and just kind of go like this to apply the oil. So that's kind of how you would apply. Get some in the mustache. Actually, this is really good. I think I would use this more for getting in the mustache in this manner, because getting beard oil into the mustache is kind of hard, even if you have to really put the oil on the tips of your fingers, and I tend to like put it on the palm of my hands and rub it into the beard and then use my fingers to really rub it in. So this is kind of a cool, neat idea. If you've never seen this kind of applicator for a beard oil, this is super cool. I'm really excited about this. A little bit harder to get the scent profile on this, just like right from the bottle. So this is going to be more of try it out in beard and then tell you guys a little bit more about what this scent was like. So it's bergamot and grapefruit. And then I've got another applicator here for the peppermint and cedarwood. And then there's our applicator again. Okay, this is a nice like minty cedarwood. What does it say on here? Yeah, peppermint cedarwood. It's mostly the peppermint I'm smelling, but I'm sure that'll kind of calm down and more of that cedarwood will come in after having it in beard, but right off the hop is just like a really nice like sweet peppermint. That's really refreshing. I feel like it's kind of clearing out my sinuses. So if you're into those kinds of scents, this is really cool. I'm really digging this applicator thing. Like as soon as I saw this on their website, I was like, I have to buy this. If I don't buy anything else from these guys, I have to try this applicator thing because I've just never seen anyone else do this before. I think this is a really cool concept. Then there's another small sampler of the Balsam Eclipse, but I already tried that, so no sense in putting some more in. This one comes with so the sampler comes with a restrictor top rather than a dropper top. And then last and certainly not least, I've got the beard wash. I've got the beard and body wash, and this is in that this comes in that lavender scent. So I'm actually really excited about this because I'm running low on soap, and this says it's good as a body wash and also in beard. So this is what I'm going to be using for washing my beard, and then also my body. So really super excited. Glad this bottle's a little bit bigger. You guys can see the logo a little bit better and how cool it looks. So really excited to try out this wash and tell you guys how it does in beard. I think I've got too many scents wafted already, so I'm not really smelling anything off of here. I'll probably smell it better in beard once I'm in the shower with it. What can I say, guys? The presentation for this company, I don't think we talk in the beard community about how important presentation is to us. This is definitely one of the companies that is going to come out on top in terms of presentation. This is going to be really difficult to top. Super excited to try out these companies for a week. I'll talk a little bit more about the price, the scent profiles, the feel in beard. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Testing, the best thing since wrestling. And it says, "Greetings, beardy blogger. Thank you for your interest in our brand. We hope you." Okay, I'm not really good at reading upside down. Okay, so here's the card. I do like a nice lavender scent at night. I do like a nice peppermint cedar. This is going to be really Perfect.